welcome back to the kitchen, and today I've got a delicious salad dressing that's going to be perfect for the upcoming warm months. This is a creamy buttermilk poppy seed dressing that is sweet, it's tangy, it's creamy, and delicious. You can make this with regular sugar. You can use the sweetener of your choice here. You can keep it low carb or you can make it traditional. It's up to you. I can't wait to show you how this all comes together. We're going to get started going over all the ingredients for this creamy buttermilk poppy seed dressing. Today I'm making my version sugar-free, but you can feel free to sub out any of your favorite sweeteners. Do you like to use regular sugar or honey? Do you like to use pure erythritol or some drops of liquid stevia? If that's the case, you should use whatever amount is the equivalent to a half cup. Today I'm using an erythritol and stevia blend. That is a cup for cup version of the sweetener. So we're going to start off by using a half a cup of good quality mayonnaise, a half a cup of our sweetener, which as I said is a stevia erythritol blend, but you can use regular sugar here, a half cup of apple cider vinegar, a half cup of buttermilk, and then we're going to flavor this up with a teaspoon each of kosher salt, cracked black pepper, tablespoon of Dijon mustard. That's going to help everything emulsify, and it's going to give it a nice little tang and a little bit of heat. A teaspoon each of garlic powder and onion powder, and the star of the show, 2 tablespoons of poppy seeds. This is very similar to an Amish style poppy seed dressing. If you guys like that, we're going to be using this in a coleslaw video that we have coming up soon. So there goes our mayonnaise and our buttermilk in with our apple cider vinegar, our sweetener, poppy seeds, garlic and onion, salt and pepper. And then we'll go ahead and we'll drop in our mustard. And then you just go ahead and, I'm going to make mine in a jar, but you can do yours in a bowl. And if you do that, you just want to use a nice whisk and you want to get that nice and well incorporated. But today I'm going to put mine in this jar and I'm going to give it a good shake. And since we're using the sweetener, you want to make sure that you shake it really, really well so that you get that incorporated and all dissolved in there. And you can see already it looks like a beautiful poppy seed dressing in that mason jar. I'm just going to grab a spoon and give it a taste.
That works.
That's really good.
It's just like me, sweet and tangy.
If you say so, honey. All right. Well, there's our dressing, and I'll be right back and I'll show you what it looks like on a little bit of lettuce. There you have it. There is our creamy buttermilk poppy seed dressing all ready to go, put on a little dinner salad for you guys, and it tastes amazing. I do recommend that you allow this to sit in your fridge for a half an hour to an hour, then give it another good shake and you're good to go. You can use it to top your salad, and this is just a way to kind of change up how you do things. This is very reminiscent of a traditional Amish style poppy seed dressing. It's got that whole sweet and tangy thing going on, and it's positively delicious. You ready to give this a taste?
If I have to.
Okay, here you go. Tell me what you think.
That's delicious.
Good, huh? It's a really nice alternative to ranch, which isn't usually my first choice for a salad dressing. I love a sweet and tangy dressing, and this fits the bill. We're going to use this, like I said, to make a delicious coleslaw later in the week. I know you're going to love this. It's perfect for upcoming summer months when we're eating more and more salads for dinner. I know you're going to love it. If you liked today's video, please consider giving me a thumbs up. And if you're new to my kitchen and you wandered on over to see what was happening, welcome. Always a pleasure to have new friends join me. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button. And as always, if you're a tried and true member of the Noreen's Kitchen family, be sure and hit the bell notification button so that you receive a notification, either an email in your inbox or push notification on your smart device every time we upload a new video, because we don't want any of you to miss out on all the real food for real people, real easy recipes that we present all the time right here on our YouTube channel and straight from our kitchen. I hope you give this creamy buttermilk poppy seed dressing a try sometime soon, and I hope you love it. And until next time, I'll see ya.